Hi, we are in week 11, and this week we will be talking about assessment. And your assignment is to look at the resources in Canvas and write at least 10 assessment descriptions, one for each of the objectives that you have already established. So there are two different kinds of assessment. There's formative assessment and summative assessment. For formative, you can click on this link and it will show you tons of different ways you can use formative assessment and different ideas. Also, we can think of assessment as informal and formal. So I've linked a video here for you to watch to look at different examples of informal and formal. And then you can use the same document or copy and paste your assessments here. Please put the objective that it is assessing and describe it. If you actually have it created, then put a link to it. And it is due April 14th. So that will complete Module 6 for us.